live on YouTube. Listen me, this is I Stitch representing for the beautiful ladies. Anyway, girl, me want you ska and bouncy me, rock steady for me, reggae rubber dub now. Girl, me want you ska and bouncy me, rock steady for me, reggae rubber dub now. The rhythm feels make you move like a rebel. Wine to the bass, catch the level on the treble. Sweet music to your ears, make you feel comfortable. No bugu yaga music, forget you irritable. Hey, Petagaye, live. Listen me, check out that YouTube channel. This is I Stitch representing. Have a gada.
So, just don't care my ear. So, super time the ear and come back to you. Petagaye tell me for vlog. Nobody really wants to vlog about. Come on now, because me I sit on a sheet for there for vlog. So. Anyways, yeah.
So guys, this is actually a 16-inch straight hair, human hair. So I'm gonna turn it into a bob. So what the hairdresser is doing now, she's actually cutting the hair in a bob, but she's actually doing the length what I requested. I just want a short back and tall front, kind of something like that. So that's what she's doing right now, just cutting this size of how I wanted it, and she's just ensuring that the hair is combed up properly. And yeah. Like how it's looking so far. To me, I love it. It's very straight. You guys won't even know it was a 16-inch straight long hair. Would you guys known if I told you that? But comment below what you think about it so far. It's coming on. She's actually doing a good job. So yeah, and when you use olive oil, you make it look shiny, you know, rich. And yes, so basically that. Oh, you guys know when you see got to be glue and spray, you know it's edge time. So to do baby ears, so she actually applied some of the glue at the front of my perimeter of my head, and she's using a blow dryer to blow it so it be very sticky, so I can actually lay the wig. After doing that, now she made the baby hair, and I like how she made the baby hair. I love how the hair is looking. It's looking so shiny. It's cut perfectly how I requested it. I'm loving the baby hair. So she's just fixing me up before I leave the shop. So guys, let me know what you think of it. Leave a comment below, and I also put on a lash. So yeah, I'm gonna $100 for the burger. It's sweet.
So guys, we just don't finish. See that transformation? You see that pop? You see that pop there? I fix up my eyebrow and sing. Let's shoot again.
Come on. Come right out.
Period. Period. Yeah, so guys, I just done finish. It don't make sense to talk. I done do this already though. I just done finish and me a pop. Can I get a wow? Wow. Yes, poppy. Yes. Tasted weed. Yeah, come on. So I gotta do my nails now and just come out. The boom bite. Nah, go fit me.
So guys, Chin just finished doing her hair. Right now she said she could do her nails. I'm gonna have netball training for her do. What? You can ask her the price. Cause me swear things that Chin never watch me. I might make netball training, but she said she not come.
Wash and fries.
Oh, you have to call if me a play. And then my battery are dead. So.
You want me to come video, you feel you want me to come watch. Have video, want me to come video.
And then I'm going to drop.
Mike.
More say I'm up for the headband so. Like I wash this. Like you wash and go this.
A black one.
That was good. I like you yesterday. No, because come here and vlog them.
Watch her. Watch her with her friend, see them?
Oh,
Ariana.
Kiki. Jada.
Crazy, that's like. Oh God.
She's going to put her friend them and be excitement. Be excitement. So we know what about who help us the excitement. Watch it, look how she come out. My God. Well, I'll go up to the plaza upstairs. But I'm going to cash for place. I'm going to cash for me and buy the credit. So, yeah.